One other module I want to mention is called Navigate, and it's a tool that also helps you navigate the menu trees and quickly access particular menu items. You can also create a list of shortcuts down the left-hand side. I'm going to do a quick search in Google for it, Drupal Navigate, and I'll navigate to this first item here. And you can see in the screenshot just how it's structured. You can use a search box to search menu items or even content, that is nodes that you've created on the site. You can create a list of favorites, which are like shortcuts, and you can easily reorder those. And you can create menus that have collapsible tree structures that will allow you to navigate into menu structures, but retain which items you've expanded and which you've collapsed. So you can easily see the same structure on every page as you navigate the site. Now, this module hasn't been updated completely to Drupal 7. It's functional, but there are some aspects of it that don't work quite right. But it's worth mentioning because it can really be a quick way to get around, and it's the one that I use on most of the sites that I develop, even in Drupal 7. Okay, I'm going to close this out and close out the other tabs in the browser.